plate should hold 1/4 of vegetables, 1/4 of fruits, 1/4 of proteins, 1/4 of grains, and a product of dairy. So when I say this, that your plate should consider of these 5 food groups, do you see there is a place in this for your cakes or for your chips, your donuts, your ice creams, your candies? Does it fit anywhere in your plate of balanced diet that you should have every day? No, it does not. There is no place for it. So what are these foods? These are just once in a while treats. So I'll tell you today why junk food does not fit in your plate of balanced and healthy food and why you should not have it. Unhealthy foods can make you feel tired,